of a little haul that I got from the lovely Bailey J. So hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got a very small unboxing of a little haul that I got from the lovely Bailey J. So please do go and check out her channel if you haven't done already. I am going to unbox this and then we will see what goodies I got this time. Where else do I need to cut? Is that it? No. Okay, so yeah, as I say, just a small haul this time, small haul, because she has recently released her embroidered sweatshirts and hoodies in a gorgeously cute design with strawberries. However, I'm really hoping that she might do something a bit more spooky, a bit more witchy in the future, so I'm saving my hoodie purchase until then. In the meantime, I thought I would stock up on some stickers and some art and some washi. So lovely little bit of crink. So here we've got, this one is, yeah, it's, so this is the same as her like packaging tape, but in a washi form. Let's take these out so we can have a proper look. It's difficult to see when the light is shining on the packaging. Now I've got the fun of finding the end. There it is. I think, yeah. Okay, so that's our first one. Just some really nice flowers. And it's a lovely quality as well, really nice. Next one we've got her male cat, male as in post, not male as in boy. Oh, come on, open up. I thought this would be good for using on Happy Mail parcels and yeah, using in my planner on days where I have post that's important. There is the end. So, yep, so there's that one. Super cute. This is the strawberry washi, so this goes with the new, all of her new merch. So this matches with the she's got new obviously the new hoodies, sweatshirts, and also new sketchbooks as well. The sketchbooks weren't out when I placed this order, otherwise I would have probably got a sketchbook as well. Here we go. Okay, so there's our end. Oh, no. Oh no. Right, what's going on with this? There we go. I don't know what was going on with that bit. It was just a little bit extra extra sticky. Let's just get rid of that. So here we've got our, are you in focus? Focus, focus, focus. So we've got our lovely strawberry design with the little strawberry flowers. Okay, see that on there. This one is, this is like a retro gamer tape. So I have already, I've got the sticker set already to match these, but come on, where's the end? There you are. Oh no, I ripped it. Okay, so there you go, we've got all of the little handheld consoles and Wii remote and a Tamagotchi, a dance mat. So very nice, very pastel-y. I like that a lot. And the final washi that I got is the duckies swimming in the water. So there we go. Adorable little ducky ducks in lovely pale blue. So those are the washi tapes that I got. I will make sure there are links to the store down below, so you can go and check those out for yourself. And then okay, so this is just the thank you card with little bottle buns. So this is Bailey J's information, so all there, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, it's all there. And then we got a sticker sheet of I'm a little ducky swimming in the water. So these are white stickers. I then got some of the individual stickers. So we've got another ducky. Is this on clear? Yeah, I think this ducky is on clear. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so that's the difference here, is that this ducky is on clear. You then got this little bunny. Where's the other bunny? That's the other bunny. So bunnies and duckies, and then some hollow stickers, which I really like. I love the sparkle. So we've got hollow mushrooms, hollow straws, hollow bunny, and I can't remember the name of this painting. It's gone out of my head. I will check and pop it on the screen for you so that you can see. We got that one as well. So that was my little haul. Do go and check out Bailey's YouTube channel and also her store. Do support her. She is a small business, and yeah, she deserves all of our love and support. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here. Super quick, super simple one. I will also leave a link at the end to my previous unboxings of Bailey J's products so that you can see those as well. Let me know down in the comments if you have ordered from her and which one of these washi tapes is your favourite. So thanks for watching today. Please do remember to leave a like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven. Thank you to my patrons, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty.